How to use split screen mode on Android. On Android phones, split screen mode allows you to view two apps on your phone at the same time. If you're trying to copy and paste text from one app to another or want to watch a video while you scan Twitter, you can do that with split screen mode. If you want to use Android's split screen mode, other than the obvious Android phone, you'll need to be running Android 7.0 Nougat or later. You'll also need apps that support the feature. Some phone manufacturers, like Samsung for example, offer users different split screen mode features. This method should work on any Google phone, and will also in all likelihood work on other Android phones produced by other manufacturers. Unfortunately, not all apps working with split screen mode. If an app doesn't support split screen mode, you'll see an alert telling you as much. At the top of your screen, you should see the message, "App does not support split screen mode." When selecting the second app you want to see in split screen mode, you'll see the same message overlaid on all unsupported apps. Find the app you want to place at the top of your screen, and tap and drag the app to the top of the screen. Find the app you want to place at the bottom of your screen, and tap to place it beneath the first app. If you already have the app open that you want to place at the top of your screen, you can use this method instead. Find the app you want to place at the bottom of the screen, and tap to place it beneath the first app. If you want to temporarily hide both apps, just tap the home button. This will push the split screen feature to the top of the screen. You'll still be able to see a small part of the top app, and the black bar that separates the two apps. You can drag that bar down to bring both apps back into view. The first and easiest way is to just tap and hold the app switcher button, which now is made up of two rectangles, until the top app once again takes up the entire screen. The second way is to tap and drag on the black line separating the apps. Just drag that line to the bottom of the screen. Another way you can multitask is to get Android to read text out loud while you scroll through other apps. For more on features like split screen and picture-in-picture, check out these powerful Android tips and apps. These powerful multitasking apps for Android let you switch apps instantly, run two apps side by side, and much more. Text source, makeuseof.com